Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice Rita. If you're new, welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So guys, something interesting happened. About 2 weeks back, I was on the internet and I was just browsing. And then I saw this targeted advert. Targeted because I think Google's is able to track my browsing history. And I use the word targeted because before now, I've always wanted to order some African food online, not the cooked one, the uncooked one. So there are times that I'm very busy during the week and I'm unable to go to the Turkish store or the Asian store nearby to buy things that I needed for cooking. So sometimes I just wish there is a store that can order. I know I've bought from some shops like through Instagram on Instagram to get some African food condiments, but it was amazing that this advert came at the right time. And today we are going to be unboxing the stuffs I bought from this African shop. It's called Niyi's UK. You can see from the label, it's Niyi's UK. So because I'm on diet and my ketogenic diet requires me to eat a lot of fatty food and more protein and less carb, I couldn't really order the kind of condiments that I would have used in cooking some of the African food that I used to eat. However, one of my favorite meats back home is smoked turkey. So we are going to unbox this parcel and see the content inside. I remember I bought myself some meat, some smoked turkey, fish, smoked turkey especially in the store. Normally I can get turkey from the British grocery stores. However, they are not smoked, and you know the aroma that smoked turkey brings into food. Okay, so first, it's my first time buying something from this website. As I told you, it was a targeted advert, and I'm going to be reviewing their packaging to see if they're able to keep the stuffs that I bought, if they're able to keep it fresh. And the second thing is that, first, the delivery. I can already say that they got 100% from the delivery because I received a text message that my parcel will be delivered between 1 and 2, and it was exactly delivered at 20 past 1, which was awesome. So the time frame that was given, the delivery courier they are using sticks to that time. Okay, now enough talking and let's start opening this parcel. To be honest, I love the fact that they use the store brand tape, just like Amazon would have done, to seal the parcel. So that's great. And also there's an extra sealing that has been applied to secure the parcel, that there's nothing coming out. So I quickly get a knife. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to use knife to open the secured box. Wow, guys, this is brilliant. Look at that. Oh, I think this is really beautiful. I got a shopping bag from Niyi's UK. Look at that. I'm going to carry this with me in my next shopping. That's lovely. Oh, this is really cool. As I said, this store is a new one. See, it came with a key holder and shopping cart lock. Instead of using your £1, you can use this to unlock the box. This is really cool. And remember, what I bought were fresh items. So it's great that this parcel, I'm going to rip this apart because I want to see how this is packed without destroying the arrangement of the items inside. This is awesome. It's well sealed, also secured with a tape by the side. So the securing of the tape at the side, I'm sure, will keep the ice block frozen for longer. I was afraid when I was placing this order that the meat, the frozen turkey, will have a bad smell, but the smell coming here is fresh. Happy Alice. So what did I buy? I told you I bought some frozen smoked turkey, and the item came still frozen. See, I'm pressing it with my hand. This is awesome. My freezer is going to be filled with meat. Frozen turkey wings, more frozen turkey wings, because I really craved smoked turkey. Smoking it myself, I don't have a barbecue grilling machine, and the smell that comes from smoking meat is actually different from baking it, and that's why grilled turkey or grilled meat is not the same as smoked. I bought some cow trip for pepper soup. So back home we make like assorted meat pepper soup, and by assorted I means all the intestine in the cow, the different parts, the liver, the kidney, the tripe, the stomach, everything we put together to make pepper soup with some lovely cloves, cardamom and everything. So I got myself more stomach. The only time I've been able to order cow stomach is to order from the Chinese restaurant. So there's this meal that is called peppered cow stomach with peanuts that I really enjoy from Baby Buddha restaurant. So now I bought myself one. I was worried that the fish will no longer be frozen. However, this still came frozen. Got myself some kidney, also looking fresh. You can see the blood stain on it. Got myself from, oh, this is, should not mess up the carpet. Got myself some tilapia fish. Also, it's fresh. I've bought some frozen one from some of the Turkish store, and the smell just displeases me, and that means I wasted my money. So, and there are some blocks used to keep the item cool. So guys, fellow Africans in diaspora, especially if you're in the UK and you missed some of the food items you can easily get back in Nigeria or other African countries, you should check out niyis.co.uk website to see if you have the items that you would love to buy. For me, I was really pleased that I was able to get this item, and the price was affordable. For everything that I unboxed, they were less than £35. Yeah, and that's why I'm going to be ordering again very soon. If it was the regular time when I wasn't on diet, I would have ordered all the semo, the amala, the pondo yam, the vegetables. But these are the things I was craving. And the fishmonger in the city where I can get the fresh ones usually close at 4, and I come back from work at 6 or 5. So guys, if you're going to be ordering from this store, I'm going to put the link to this store website in my description box. Please check them out, and if you have more items you would like them to get for you, just drop them an email. I was able to ask before I ordered that, oh, will I be able to, if I order, will it come fresh? Will it be on time? I was worried about things like this, and that's why I first had a chat for my order, because you don't want to place an order and then it arrives like all soggy, smelling, stinking. So I'm really happy. Thank you, niyi.co.uk, for this bag. I'm going to be carrying it proudly. And now I can shop without having to spend my £1 to push the cart. Oh, it's going to be a lot of cooking, guys. And for the pepper soup one, I'm going to record the video and show you how and what Nigerian assorted meat pepper soup look like. I just realized I didn't show you the contents of what was in the envelope. So it came with a thank you card, which is really nice. Dear valued customer, thank you for placing your order on our website. Hope you enjoyed your shipping experience. Hope to see you again. Very lovely, the thank you card. And it came with a voucher. I'm going to be using this in my next shopping. And it came with a receipt, so you can cross-check the items that you ordered from their website. And yeah, like I told you, everything I bought was just under £30. It's 29.91 pence. So this is awesome. So that's all. Nothing else in the envelope apart from me getting two key order with the shopping cart key. Until next time, bye.